All right, Rankin family, welcome back to another beautiful property tour. Today, we have the good fortune of looking at this beautiful Z-Era Classic custom homes. This is in Republic Grand Ranch in Willis, Texas. Now, for quick reference, right across over there was Design Tech Homes. I had showcased that one about a month and a half ago or so, give or take. But this is on Acreage. A lot of folks absolutely want Acreage, and this is going to be a good bet for you. Now, this is completely custom. Of course, they have some base plans that you can take advantage of and add your own personal twist to them. Now, on the exterior of this model home here in Republic Grand Ranch, what you're going to have is the beautiful natural stone as well as the stucco. Going into your covered front porch, you are going to have the double wooden doors as well as your porch area that extends over here to the right. Absolutely love that. Now, just look at the elegance of the details inside of here. Extremely stylish. That's one thing I really love about this particular plan. Now, this is called the Georgetown. They like to name them after cities, which is unique. But let's go ahead and get you inside of the property itself. Now, this is going to be your foyer. If you notice on top, what you're going to have is your double tray ceilings as well as the crown molding inside. Initially to the right, you're going to have this beautiful large study. Now, you have the nice LED ceiling fan, which you're going to take advantage of. And of course, our beautiful fireplace built in to your study. How many times have you actually seen that inside of a study? Absolutely unique. Now you have your built-in shelvings on both sides. Of course, that's completely optional. If you want to take advantage of it, you certainly can. Look at that. So we have our French doors with our tray ceilings and the crown molding again inside. Now the study in particular is going to be about 12 by 18. So that'll just be for reference. If you wanted to add maybe an L-shaped desk in here, you can certainly take advantage of that. It really just depends on your personal preference. Now, continuing along, what we're going to have is our great room. So you do have the tray ceilings on top and the exposed wooden beams, which a lot of folks love to take advantage of. You have this beautiful floor to ceiling fireplace. You have the tile exterior. It's an electric fireplace. You have the sliders that a lot of folks love, and it's open to your kitchen. So inside of the kitchen, what we're going to have is the white cabinetry. You're going to have the stainless steel range hood with the stainless steel pot filler. You have quartz countertops. And if you notice, you do have the quartz backsplash as well. KitchenAid appliances. Now, I really love the fact that they really extended this over here. So you have the cabinet crowns with the brushed nickel hardware with the white cabinetry. You're really going to notice that throughout, and just look at the openness of the plan itself. Absolutely stunning. Now you do over here have your breakfast nook as well. Now this can be utilized as the informal dining room, how we always talk about, if that's what you want to take advantage of. Now, I know some folks love the picture windows. So if that's what you wanted to have in your breakfast nook instead of just the 3 windows itself, you can certainly do so. But just look at the elegance. Now, the flooring inside is going to be engineered wood flooring. Now, some folks love the lighter flooring. Some folks love the darker flooring with the darker trim. So you can certainly take advantage of that. Now, the oversized island, you do have the 2 separate tone cabinetry, which I absolutely love. And it really does add a nice touch. Now, this is going to be a butler's pantry. And then you do have your nice oversized pantry as well. So perfect if you wanted to go ahead and add the dishes that you don't really want to be seen, like, in a formal setting, or if all the family is over, you can certainly tuck it away. You can get this side, you can get this as messy as you want to, quite frankly. You don't really have to worry about it. Let me go ahead and make sure I open up the cabinetry so that way you can see how much space you have. Now the cabinet crowns does extend, and I love the fact that they added the quartz countertops and the quartz backsplash that continues. So love that. And then of course, plenty of drawer space, soft closing drawers. So you don't really have to worry about that. But just look at how sleek this is. Now, in our sliders, don't you love that you have that screen that that screened in porch or that enclosed backyard patio that you could take advantage of as well. Folks really love that. I mean, if you wanted, you can honestly make that another patio if you wanted to, or you can certainly use that for a multi-purpose setting. Really just depends on your personal preference. Now, this is going to be our full-size utility room. Now, you have a quick access door to the covered backyard patio, but look at this. Plenty of space for an oversized washer and dryer. You have the beautiful cabinetry on top that extends. You got your sink, you got your dog wash over here, and you got your little grooming area if you wanted to take advantage of this. If you don't have pets, you can use this maybe as like a little desk tucked away or something of that nature. Really, the possibilities are endless. Now, straight ahead, that would be our garage, but this is going to be a mudroom. So if that's converted, you would walk into your mudroom and then go ahead and take your shoes off. That way you don't track any mud in whatsoever. Now, this is going to be our beautiful primary bedroom. You have your cathedral ceilings on top with the beautiful recessed lighting that extends. And just look at that. That's a king size bed with 2 oversized nightstands, tall baseboards throughout the property. I didn't mention that, but that's one thing to pay attention to. And just look at that. Can you really get much better than that? I don't know if you can. Now, obviously, straight ahead, you can go ahead to your covered backyard patio. The part that's not enclosed, you can obviously access the part that is enclosed if you wanted to. You can certainly do that. But let's go ahead and take a look at our beautiful ensuite. Look at that. Let me do a moment of silence as I do a quick pan for you. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Now, you have his and her sinks. Right over here to the left, you are going to have your oversized soaking tub with our brushed nickel faucet. Right here is going to be, look at this. So you have your toilet over here. You're going to have his and hers closets, but let's go ahead and take a look at our shower. Right here, you got a linen closet that you can take advantage of, but look at this. Going straight in here, this is a 0 threshold shower. There's no lip on the flooring itself. You have dual shower heads, dual shower niches, as well as a shower bench. You have this glass right here to block in the steam. You have your privacy windows. That way you don't have to worry about anybody peeking. Look at that. Phenomenal. Now, real quick, folks, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always fantastic to have you. I appreciate the continued support. If this is your first time checking in, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, reach out to us. We'll definitely get you taken care of no matter where you're thinking about moving. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. That way you don't miss a video every single week. But look at this. This is going to be our hers closet. Now, like I said, if you needed to extend this out, you can certainly do so. They're a custom builder. If you needed to, eliminate some of these built-ins and have your own built-ins, you can certainly do so as well. But really just depends. Now, for reference, let me verify for you real quick. So as far as the her closet, it's going to be a 13 by 7. So that'll be a 13 by 7. In the his closet, it's going to be 8 by 9 feet. So just for reference in the video, I know it's kind of hard to really tell, but this will be your his closets. Look at that. They already got you with your nice little gun safe looking door. And this will just be an extension if you wanted to take advantage of that. So you put your gun rack, this is Texas, so everyone has a gun. I like the shiplap that they added right here. You could just have this as a privacy, maybe put your crown jewels in here, your diamond rings and stuff. That way they're all vaulted and good to go. But look at that. Can you really get much better than that? I don't know. I really don't know. I know I say that all the time, but really I try my best to bring you folks the best of the best. But that way you can see backyard. We'll get to that as always towards the end of the tour. But let's go ahead and continue to take a look at our other bedrooms. Yeah, that's how I doing. So love the fact that we have that extension as well, like I mentioned. But let's go ahead and take a look at this part. So this Look at this. So you're gonna have another bedroom that you're gonna take advantage of. Look at that. So you can use this as a game room or an optional bedroom. It does have a full bathroom attached to it. You have tile flooring extended in here. And I see most folks, especially if you don't have a ton of kids or you don't have a ton of family that's gonna be living with you, put a pool table in here, put a game, like, ping pong table or anything of that nature. You can take advantage of that. And if you wanted to watch a movie and then, you take a shower, you can do so. But look at that. So you have your granite countertops. This is high level granite. You have the brushed nickel hardware. Again, beautiful mirror frame that we're going to have to be able to take advantage of. Let me verify, was I here real quick? Yeah, okay. So this will have access to your enclosed area as far as the patio is concerned. Now the tall baseboards, they extend back here again. You have the windows for natural light. But like I said, you can use this as a full-size bedroom if you wanted to, just because you have a full-size closet in here. So I love that extension. And like I said, quite frankly, the possibilities are certainly endless. However you want to, decorate, or not necessarily decorate, but however you want to extend this out. If you love the plan as is, like I said, this is called the Georgetown, so you can certainly utilize that. But look at this. This is going to be our next bedroom. You have your built-ins, nice queen bed right here, just to give you reference. Most folks would just go ahead and add a smaller night stand and put them on both sides, but really just depends. You have a desk in here. They don't have a dresser in here, but if you wanted a nice dresser for the kiddo, you can certainly take advantage of that. Now you do have quartz countertops in here. Now I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you prefer the high level granite or do you prefer the quartz counters? I'm finding the quartz countertops is obviously the theme, but I just always love to ask so we can see. Now you have the light gray cabinetry with the brass hardware in here, brass lighting fixture again, and then the full size closet as well. There we go. Tile flooring in here. I love when they add tile instead of, or even hardwood floor instead of carpet inside of the closet. It's such a minor detail, but just my personal preference. Then you have a full-size coat closet as well, and this is your final bedroom. You have your bathroom attached to it again. Nice oversized windows, tall baseboards extends in here. Look at this, full-size desk and a drawer over here. You got two desks actually, but as you can see, you can easily fit a full bedroom set, probably even a king bed. I don't even think you would have a challenge fitting a king bed in here, to be honest with you. But look at that. And this is about a little over 14 foot by a little over 13 foot. So 14 by 13. And look at that. Shower tub combo again. Beautiful shower surround that you have. Now you have the black granite countertops in here. And really they just wanted to show you different materials that they can utilize. But really, if you were to build from scratch, especially this particular home or this particular builder, most folks would just go ahead and add in the quartz countertops. Really just depends. But yeah, I love that you have this extension over here. You got the long hallways. And again, this is where you would come out, all the family, all the friends. You can take advantage of that. So what we'll do is we'll go through the quick access door so that way we don't have to open up the entire sliders. I would show you that, but it looks a little heavy. I don't think I'm strong enough. Just kidding. But look at our enclosed area. Love this. Look at this. Now you have built-in speakers in here, but if you wanted to build from scratch, you can certainly do the same thing. But look at that. I love this. Now it's screened in, so you feel the weather, but the good thing is you have the shade. You can add a fan out here, or like, obviously you got the ceiling fan on top right here, but you can add some more airflow if you wanted to do so. But with this Texas weather, you are definitely going to appreciate this enclosed area. And if you were to build this plan on your own particular lot, if you have an acre or 2 acres, Plenty of space to build a full-size pool back there. You can have a play set, trampoline. Possibilities are endless. Now, real quick, let me do one more quick pan so that way you can see. Look at that. Can you get much better than that? I don't think so. All right. So the good thing is out here, they added the grill. So that way you don't have to worry about it getting all smoky and all that stuff. So you can easily access your grill, your sink area. Remember, our primary bedroom was straight ahead, and to the right was our utility room. They added the high-level granite out here again, but look at this. The nature feel is abundant out here. You will never get tired of living out here. Wow. And like I said, I mean, they build in other locations. So if you wanted to take advantage of that, you can certainly do so. But other than that, family, that was the beautiful Sierra Classic Custom Homes. All right, Reiki family, I hope you absolutely love this beautiful custom home. So like I mentioned, they build completely custom in the greater Houston area, the greater Austin area, as well as the greater San Antonio area and some places in between. So if you want more information about this particular builder, make sure you reach out to the information below, reach out to us so we can get you taken care of. Of course, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on that notification bell so that way you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.